Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears with juice. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of your favorite juice, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, and 1 tablespoon of a sweetener like honey or sugar. Make sure your juice is at room temperature. You'll also need a gummy bear mold or a small, shallow dish for setting. This simple recipe ensures delicious, homemade treats every time. Next, pour your 1 cup of juice into a small saucepan. Sprinkle the 2 tablespoons of gelatin evenly over the surface of the juice. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes. This process is called blooming and helps the gelatin dissolve smoothly. Then, place the saucepan over low heat, stirring constantly until the gelatin is fully dissolved. Do not let it boil, just warm it gently. Once the gelatin is fully dissolved, carefully pour the warm liquid into your gummy bear molds. If you don't have molds, you can pour the mixture into a lightly oiled small baking dish, about 8 by 8 inches, and cut shapes later. Place the filled molds or dish into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for the gummies to set properly and achieve their chewy texture. After at least 2 hours, your gummy bears should be firm and ready to enjoy. Gently pop them out of their molds. If you used a dish, simply cut them into small squares or fun shapes. Store your delicious homemade gummy bears in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. They make a fantastic snack or a fun gift. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.